Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking message requests on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Instagram app and tap on your user icon from the bottom right corner of the homepage to get to your profile page. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner. Tap on Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap on Notifications. Then tap on Direct Messages. Under where it says Message Requests, tap Off. You will no longer receive message requests. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.